40 persons, including an individual suspected to be a victim of human trafficking, are in custody following a major operation on Port Henderson Road, also known as Back Road in St. Catherine. The early morning raid was carried out in search of wanted men, persons of interest, and possible cases of human trafficking. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit, Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, told TVJ News that minors are among those in custody.
So far, they are still processing the individuals that were picked up. They picked up approximately 40 persons, males and females. Based on what I gather, the females they are from different parts of the country. So far, at least 2 of the girls have been identified as underage, and they are now waiting to verify the ages of some of the other girls that were picked up at the location. So far, they have detected 1 possible case of human trafficking, and they have found 3 persons of interest that they were looking for cases of murder and shooting in the Portmore area.